The Aussie versus US dollar gapped over the weekend off the tariff news, and that took the price to the lowest level since 2020. Since then, however, the price has rebounded sharply and nearly erased off the full gap lower. So I'll talk about that and what's to come for this currency pair in this video. So let's get started. Start by taking a look at the weekly chart and take a look at that. We fell below the low price for January and also fell below this low price going back to 2022. The low price that we did reach was 0.60875, and that took the price to the lowest level since going back to this date early in 2020. So a near 5-year low for the Aussie versus US dollar before we started to rotate back to the upside. Taking a look at the hourly chart, the rotation back to the upside is now seeing the price move above this swing area through here. That swing area is defined by a number of different lows, which came into place here, and then some highs through here, another low right here, and low, low, low. Most of the time the price had lows. We did have try to stay below this level right through here, but could not sustain that momentum, move back above it. In trading here today, we did gap down and nearly ran right through that swing area, but it did shortly thereafter, running all the way down to the 0.60875 level before rotating back to the upside, getting back above the low price that we saw from January at 0.61306, and that started the rotation back even higher. And since then, we've moved above this swing area between the 0.61662 and 0.61779, and we also moved above the 38.2% retracement of this move to the downside. That level comes in at 0.61805. So this these three levels become now support for the pair as long as the price can remain above this area right here down to 0.61625. The bias remains more to the upside. Now the high price that we did see in trading here today did stall near the low price from here, and maybe going back to other areas back in time, like this low, this low, this low. It's not necessarily the most perfect of swing levels. It's very narrow to begin with, but it was most recent lows through here and here, which ended up stalling the high price. So get above that area near the 0.62 level, and then we'll look toward the 50% of this move to the downside, which also happens to correspond with the 100-hour moving average blue line in this chart. So buyers are making a play above this swing area. Stay above the 0.66162 level is more bullish. Stay above these levels right here is even more bullish. On the top side, get above the 62 level. Opens the door for the 50% retracement level. That's going to be a key on the top side. My name is Greg Michalowski with this Forex quick look at the Aussie versus US dollar. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.